Welcome everyone. I know this video may not be related to crypto, but in my previous live stream I said that I exited stock market completely, and I have exited the stock market completely. What you're looking at right now is just a random portfolio I'm managing for someone very special in my life. So I did get out of the stock market a while ago, but this is why I'm in crypto. I'm in crypto to make larger gains than the stock market. And you can look at the stock market right now, and I think it's sort of inflated. You know, money's being printed everywhere. This is not real. These numbers are just fictitious. It's a lot of stock buyback programs and just random nonsense. And if you compare this portfolio with my previous portfolio was probably 99% blue chips. But I look at the gains that I've gotten, and this is probably over 3 years, and it's not bad whatsoever. I mean, this is a consistent source of income if you are waiting for a long period of time. But this is not the same thing that's going to take you from like the lower stratosphere up to the upper stratosphere. The stock market is a game that's, more money makes more money. So if you have a lot invested in the stock market currently, then you're going to make a lot of money. It's the gains are proportionate to how much you put in. And I guess it's the same for crypto as well. But the gains for the stock market are just not on the same level. So if you see, this of course is not my portfolio. It's a portfolio for someone that's very special in my life that I've been managing for the past 3 years. I've chosen the stocks, and this is what I do. I mean, I throw a couple pennies here and there at BS companies, similar to how I do it in crypto as well. But majority of the stocks that I do, I think that they're solid stocks. And in my previous portfolio, I've had like Apple and Google and Amazon, I had Facebook, and just the large companies that I thought could potentially bring some returns. So, I'm a big Berkshire guy. So Berkshire is very important. And over the past 3 years, I'm up, 30%. And Fitbit, I'm up 28%. GoPro, I'm down 43%. Ionis Pharmaceuticals, I'm up 14%. QQQ, 46%. Twitter, 105%. And Vanguard, 53%. So, I identify companies that I think that have potential. And over the past 2-3 years, I'm up 44%. And of course, this is probably fictitious because it will probably go down 10 or 15% once the market corrects itself, or maybe it'll divide by 2 and go back down to 20%. But I've been holding for a relatively long period of time, and this is what I'm up. So I haven't doubled the money, or I haven't doubled the initial investment yet, but maybe in the future it will happen. But that's not what I'm here. That's not why I'm here in crypto. I'm here in crypto to 10x or 100x my money. I'm literally not considering exiting until, at least maybe drawing some money out after a 10x. But I'm looking for 100x projects. I'm invested in multiple different projects, and I think that there's potential for some of these projects to hit 100x, or some of these projects to hit a 50x or a 25x, and I would be more than satisfied. But I'm not looking for 44% returns. The journey has been too stressful. I don't know what your strategy is, and I don't know what returns you're looking at. But we all know why we get in crypto. It's to make astronomical gains, and you can take astronomical losses as well, because most people are down considerably on their portfolio. But it's part of the game. You have to play the game in order to win the game. And most people will not win. Only a small percentage will actually make it. But if you've been invested in this cryptocurrency space, and if you've been investing your time and your knowledge and figuring out which projects are good for you, and it's not necessarily just Cardano. There are a lot of different projects out there, and some of them will just completely moonshot. Most of them will die. But we are here to make greater gains than what we can do in the stock market. And no disrespect to the stock market, but I feel like the stock market is very controlled. Unless you're a VC or have some sort of accredited investor status, it's really hard to pick up some of these companies at solid prices. I mean, these companies come to market and they're already like, for example, Uber is already overvalued, or Lyft is already overvalued, or all these unicorn companies now, because of the internet, because of the ease of use of purchasing stocks, they're already so high, and then people just exit scam on you. So it's extremely difficult to get those 2, 3, 4, 5, 10x's. I mean, I know there are people that are trading penny stocks and are successful with that, but that's not my game, and I don't understand that game, and maybe I need to do more research. But yes, this is what it is. But we're here for the long, long term. So let me know what you think. Let me know if you are in stocks or if you are in crypto or if you're in a combination of both. And I'm interested to see what kind of returns that you're looking at in crypto in order for you to say, you know, I'm done here. Let me take my assets off the table and then move it to a different asset class. Try something else with my life. What kind of things are you looking at? Are you looking at a 5x, a 10x, a 20x, a 30x, a 100x? What are you looking for? All right. This was just a fun video, and until the next video. All right. Bye, everyone.